What if your handheld console could automatically fine-tune every game you play? No menus, no guesswork, just perfect performance every time. Well, Microsoft just dropped a major update for the ASUS ROG Ally and Ally X, and it might be the most game-changing one yet. Starting today, both consoles are getting default game profiles, a brand new beta feature designed to optimize each title the moment you boot it up. These aren't generic presets, these are curated performance profiles, built to balance frame rate, power consumption, and battery life on a per-game basis. That means no more digging through settings, toggling options, or hunting for the right TDP. The console now does the heavy lifting for you. And Microsoft didn't start small. 40 games already have tailored profiles. Big hitters like Fortnite, Gears of War Reloaded, and the long-awaited Hollow Knight Silksong. In fact, Microsoft claims the Silksong profile alone can add up to an hour of extra battery life. Not bad for a simple software update. But that's not all. There's a new search filter that lets you browse your library based on how well each title performs on the device, very reminiscent of Valve's Steam Deck Verified system. This gives players instant clarity on what runs great, what needs tweaking, and what might surprise them. Microsoft has also tightened up gamepad responsiveness and significantly accelerated how quickly large game libraries load. If you've built up a massive collection, you'll feel the difference immediately. Cloud gamers aren't left out either. The Cloud Gaming Hub now loads faster, navigates smoother, and just feels more responsive overall. For the uninitiated, the ASUS ROG Ally and Ally X are powerful Windows-based handhelds capable of running nearly the entire Xbox catalog. Performance has always been their strong suit, and with sales surging, ASUS has ramped up production to keep up. And the update pipeline is looking promising. Microsoft is already working on cross-platform save indicators, improved sleep and wake reliability, and expanded microSD formatting options. Plus, the more powerful Ally X is set to receive AI upscaling next year, a huge leap for handheld visuals. This latest update isn't just a quality of life improvement, it's a meaningful step toward making handheld Windows gaming smoother, smarter, and more effortless than ever before. If this is where the Ally ecosystem is headed, we're in for an exciting future.